The Bible said, Hebrews 11 and verse 1, said faith is the substance of things hoped for. You understand? The evidence of things not seen. This is the evidence. But there are some things that they compress together to make this paper. Yeah. That's the substance. You may not be able to look at the chair and see how they put the material together or the cotton. You know it's cotton, but you wonder how come a cotton that you can thread on is now something strong that can be sewn together. It's the substance. You know that the substance is the things that you can't see. So you don't look at the things that you can see, but you look at the things that what? That are not seen. That's 2 Corinthians 4:18. So the Bible said, look not at the things that are seen, but at the things that are what? Not seen. It doesn't mean that you take your eyes off your circumstances. What you do when you look at your circumstances, your challenges, you say, well, I see the challenge that's coming up, but there's something else that's happening behind that I can control. I may not be able to control you, but I have dominion over the spirit. Right, oh God, can I speak to somebody? Can I speak to somebody? Yeah. Then a lot of times somebody comes and they're attacking you. You may not be bigger and stronger to fight them physically, but you got dominion over the spirit that's operating in them. And so instead of me putting up my fist, I want to duke with you, I can mumble under my little breath and say, in the name of Jesus, that spirit of anger, that spirit of murder that's rising up in you, I take authority over that spirit right now, and I command you to leave this atmosphere right now. You will not be able to operate in this man to come up against me, because no weapon formed against me. I never lift a finger, but I'm walking in victory. I'm walking in dominion. You know, you got some people that are talking about you, say, you know what? In the name of Jesus, I silence the spirit of gossip and lying out of your spirit, and I release the spirit of love. I command that every time you come in contact with me, that spirit that's in you will be submitted and subdued to the Holy Spirit that's on the inside of me. So we don't fight according to the natural, because the weapon of my warfare is not carnal, but it's mighty through God. It's in the power that's operating in me, and I got power over every spirit that's operating. But you got to change your vision. You got to look at the things that are not seen, and you got to get to the place where you operate at another level. Lift Jesus up.